In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to buttons using Weebly all in under 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together, making it straightforward and simple to follow. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Weebly website. Once you're there, look for the login button, which you'll find typically at the upper right corner of the home page. Click that and it will direct you to the sign in page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. Type it in carefully, making sure there are no typos, then hit next to proceed to the password entry. On this screen, input your password accurately. If you happen to have trouble remembering it, don't hesitate to use the forgot password option available. Once your credentials are correct, click login to access your Weebly dashboard. Now that you're in, direct your attention to the overview section. From here, you'll click on edit site, which will take you to the Weebly editor. This is where all the magic happens. Within the editor, navigate to the build section located on the left hand side. This section is crucial as it provides all the elements you can use to customize your site, including buttons. Identify the button you wish to link on your web page. Simply click on it to select it, and options for editing that particular button will appear. Among these options, locate the link option and click it. This step will open a window providing various settings for how you'd like to configure the link. At this stage, you'll be able to choose from several linking options such as redirecting to an external URL, linking to other pages within your site, or perhaps connecting to an email address. Select the option that suits your needs. If you're adding an external link, ensure you copy and paste the entire URL, starting with HTTP or HTTPS to avoid any mistakes. A useful tip here, tick the box that allows the link to open in a new window. This feature is instrumental as it ensures visitors don't navigate away from your website, enhancing their overall browsing experience. Once you've set up everything to your liking, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Publish button, often highlighted in blue or green at the top right corner of the page, and click it. This will make all your adjustments